Hello, good morning, students. This is our first class in BSc second year, and in BSc second year, I'm taking your unit number 4. And the name of unit number 4 is Motion of Charged Particle in Electric and Magnetic Field. The contents of the unit number 4 is an accelerating field. E is the electric field. Second point is the electric electron gun. Case of discharge tube, linear accelerator, that is LINAC. E as deflecting field, transverse magnetic field, mass spectrograph, velocity selector, curvature of track for energy determination of nuclear particle, principle of cyclotron, mutually perpendicular E and B fields, velocity selectors and its resolution, and numericals. These are the contents of the unit number 4. We will discuss in details all the contents which are present in the unit number 4. Before start the lecture, we have to study the important definitions regarding the understanding this chapter. Therefore, firstly we will discuss two important definitions related to the electric field. Here in this chapter, we have to study the motion of charged particle in electric field and magnetic field. Firstly, we will discuss the motion of electrons in electric field. Second, we will discuss the motion of electron in magnetic field. And third, we will discuss the motion of electrons in both electric and magnetic field. That is, in that section, we will study the influence of magnetic field and electric field on the electron. Before start, let us see what is electric field. Electric field and is a field is said to exist in a region of space if an electric charge at rest experiences a force of electric origin. Suppose a positive charge is present somewhere, let us point P. Let us consider any point P. At point P, a positive charge is present, and you know that positive charge emits the electric lines of forces. Around the positive charge, there exist the numbers of electric lines of forces. These lines of forces moves outward from the positive charge. Therefore, around the positive charge, there exists electric field. There exists electric field. This is an electric field. This means that electric field is nothing but a region of space around a electric charge. Electric field strength. Next, we will discuss electric field strength or intensity of the electric field. How much is the electric field is strong or weak can be determined with the help of electric field strength or intensity. Let us consider at point P there is a positive charge, and somewhere near to the point P there is a point Q. At point Q we have to study the intensity of the electric field. The intensity of the electric field is calculated at that point, and here we have to experience the force on another charge which is placed at point Q. Therefore, the electric field strength or intensity at a point in space is defined as the amount of force F experienced by a unit positive charge Q placed at a point at that point. This means that at point Q, if we place another positive charge, this positive charge experience a repulsive force due to the existence of another positive charge at point P. This the intensity or that much force experienced by this another positive charge at point Q determines the strength of the electric field or strength of electric field intensity. Now, the potential V is existed, therefore this positive charge at point P has some potential and the positive charge at Q has also some potential. Therefore, if the positive charge at point Q has potential V1 and positive charge at point P has a potential V2, then we will or we can determine the potential difference between these 2 points. If let us assume that D is the distance between point P and point Q, then the electric field between these two parallel plates having a potential difference V and having the separation D meters between them is given by E equals to V by D. We will discuss in next slide what will be the difference of electric field between the two parallel plates. Thanks.